Okay, first you're gonna wanna do is cut this off. There's usually a little zip tie holding this wire, and then unplug it. Okay. You'll notice on your charging port that there's two flat spots on the front. That is where you can grip it with a set of pliers. So you can remove the nut on the back. And the nut on the back turns easy. You just have to loosen it. There we go. Well, that one was pretty loose. Comprehensive. Okay. Just slide your nut off easily. Just a little bit at a time. I know it doesn't look like it'll come off here, but it actually will. There you go. See, there's a problem with this charger already, charging port. The wire was pulling out, so I am going to, if you ever see one of those pull out, all you have to do is just open that tab a little bit, look inside your plug to see which way the tab goes, and then just slide it back in. And when it slides in, you'll feel it click, and then it will come out. Okay, so I'm gonna take a look at this charging port. Everything seems fine on it. Yep, that's good. So I'm just gonna replace this charging port, and I'm just gonna put it back. But that's how easy it is to take it out. Again, when you get it back out, you're gonna have your nut. Let's put our little rubber piece back where it belongs. So again, your nut is going to go over the plug. It's not fun, but if you do it exactly flat and perfect, it will go on there. Oh. Okay. I'll just keep pushing it back a little bit at a time. I said it's tight, but it does go on there. There we go. So we got it back down to where we wanted it. Oh, I put that on wrong. I should have put that on after, I guess. That's all right. Still do it. So we'll put this back through our little hole here. Okay, so now you can put your plastic piece back on again. You want to run your wire through first. I didn't think about that. I was just trying to get the video down here, but we'll slide this back on again. There we go. So our nut goes all the way to the back. Push our charging port through, and then we will tighten our nut on. Back. There we go. And to tighten up the nut on the back, it's very simple again. You want to put a set of needle nose pliers here, just to hold on the two flat spots, and then you can tighten your nut on the back with another set of vice grips, or of needle nose or vice grips, or whatever you have. Okay, and then when you're all done, you just plug your charging port back in, and you're good to go.